How to make selfie or photo booth with your friends on Zepeto? Let's watch the tutorial. First, log into Zepeto and then choose photo booth. Open photo booth and choose which picture that you want to make with your friend. It must be more than one person, and then here automatically you be number one person and the second person is your friend, and then choose background. Choose background which you like and save. Wait for some seconds. If you want to add Zepeto watermark, push there. If you don't want, you push there that icon. And next, I want to make again first person and second person, and this one is for video. Just background, same like the first picture. Scroll left or right, this one, and then the result is like this. Save as video. Wait for seconds. Saved. And then how to replace the position of your photo booth or selfie. This one, choose which person that will you make. I want to make my friend to be in first position and myself to be on second position, and it will be look like this. But if you want to change the position, it will just change the number. This pic show you that I changed his position from number 2 become number 1. And choose background, this one, and save. Wait for a second, it's still loading. Just like that. Okay guys, yeah, this is the results. You can make some poses that you like or dance. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.